more. Surely that will help us. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Playdoh Diggin Rigs. We have Sam the Scooper. We have Chip the Cutter. And we have Rolland the Steam roller. Today we're going to be making a pyramid. We're using Rolland. Come on out, Rolland. I'm rolling. Get the Playdoh rolling. We have to make a base for our pyramid. Here, let me smooth it out a little bit so Rolland can get to it easier. There, that should work. It's much better. That's a pretty nice base. Thank you, Rolland. Let's flip it so it stays nice and smooth. Look at that. Now we need our cutter. Come on and cut for us. We're cutting away, cutting the edges that are not smooth away. One more cut here. And we should be ready to go. Bring out all this extra. If we want to make it bigger, we can, but I think that's big enough. Okay, Sam, we need some bricks. Woohoo! Probably one more load and that'll do it. For now at least. Good job, Sam. We're working on our base. Let's get started. We have all this help. Oh, we're gonna need some more bricks. Let's go back and get some. Here I am. Come and follow me. Let's get some bricks in. Choo, 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 choo. 5 more. Surely that will help us. Let's put them all inside and then we'll start on our next layer. Choo, choo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. It's probably good enough. Let's turn this one that way a little bit. Oh, I think we're gonna need our cutter. Let's bring our cutter in. And we'll just cut off just a little bit. And then that will fit right inside. Now we're ready for our next color. Blue's my favorite color. Let's see how many we can get inside. 4, 5, can we fit 6? Yay! Sam, you did it. You did 6. Just set those right on top there, Sam. And let's get our other 6 loaded up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our 6th one. Good job, Sam. Okay, let's build the next part of the tower of our pyramid. And we're going to put our extra red one right there in the middle. Just like that. Now we need our yellow ones. Thanks, Sam, for getting those to us in a hurry. And there, we've made our pyramid. And it feels awesome! Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for lots more videos with your favorite toys.